well, let's keep with the set statements here.
Oh, it's
So
like
this first
maybe
one.
6 o'clock.
So this first one, A or B. Okay, so that's the first one we're looking at here. What is an element of set A or B? And I'm going to put these in numerical order, although if I remember right, in the homework it does not require them to be in in order from least to greatest or greatest to least, okay? But I'm going to, just because if it's out of order, it will hurt my brain and I won't be able to get any sleep tonight. So, the first number that I notice is, the lowest one I see is an element of set B, which is 31. Now, this is A or B, so it just has to be one or the other. I see 32 as part of both, that's okay. I'm just not gonna list it twice. And then I see 34, still in the 30s. I don't see any more 30s, but I do see 45 as part of both. And I'm kind of making a little bit of a mental note as I list these. 47, I missed 45, didn't I? Dang it. I'm gonna do both though. And I did say I'd do this in order, so 45 and then 47. And then it looks like 48. That's all the 40s I see. Then I do see a 51. And then finally that's a 1, by the way. 51 and then 60. Sorry, that got kind of small at the end, but I gotta close this thing up. That is all the elements of both set A or B. I should say A or B, not both. I mean, they're elements of both, but it's just got to be one or the other, okay? Oh, let's see, enter the elements as list. If it was an empty set, it said enter D and E. Okay, well, these are not empty. In fact, the or statement wasn't, and the and statement will not be as well, because there are elements of both sets. So there's a kind of an S and a 2. I know I've done better fancy brackets, but that's fancy enough. So let's see, what do we got? I got a 32 that matches in both, so let's go and put that in, 32. And then I see these 45s. Remember, I was making kind of a little bit of a mental note if I could remember back that far. And then 47 as well. Okay. I don't see any other matches in both sets. And, some people like to look at it as matches. That's fine. I guess my writing got a little bit bigger to the right. Whatever. Okay. Just don't forget those fancy brackets, right? Because, again, if you don't put these on the exams, I have to take the point. It's 1 point, but it's still 1 point, And that's what I mean. I forgot to read the full problem there at the end. I should have done that at the beginning. I kind of jumped on that one, but I'm just grateful I didn't get anything incorrect there because it looks pretty good.